correct name for acids HI, HClO, and H2SO3 are. Okay, so this is a nomenclature problem. We're trying to naming three acids, and to name acids we have a set of rules. We put acids into different groups and name them accordingly. Yeah. So starting from the first one, HI. And looking at the formula, we have hydrogen and a non-metal element, iodine. Yeah. Since there's no oxygen, this is a binary acid. And naming binary acids is very simple. We start the name with hydro to identify the hydrogen, and then for the non-metal element we use the root of the name, iodine, and in the end we put IC suffix and then put the word acid in. So hydroiodic acid, that's the name for HI. Next, HClO. With the oxygen present, and this is apparently an oxyacidin. And for oxyacids, the naming is more complicated because one non-metal element could make multiple oxyacids. And we look at a non-metal element, chlorine. This is in group 7. And elements in group 7 could make up to 4 different oxyacids. For chlorine is HClO, HClO2, HClO3, and HClO4. The rule goes as for the oxyacid with lower number of oxygen, we use the root. For chlorine is chlor, and the suffix would be us for lower number of oxygen, and between 1 and 2. Now, since it's 1 is the lowest number, we also put in a prefix of hypo, and then throw in the word acid. That would be the name of this acid, HClO. So this is hypochlorous acid. And for HClO2, it would be chlorous acid without the prefix. And for the ones with higher oxygen number, the suffix us turns into ic. So both of these would be chloric acid, but for the highest number of O4, we would also put in a prefix of per. So chloric acid and perchloric acid for HClO3 and HClO4. H2SO3. This is again an oxyacid. And sulfur is in group 6. And elements in non-metal elements in group 6 tend to make 2 oxyacids. For sulfur particularly, it's H2SO3 and H2SO4. The one with lower number, as we learned the rule before, this would be the root sulfur with suffix us. This would make H2SO3 sulfurous acid, and for H2SO4 it would be sulfuric acid. These are the names of these 3 different acids.